we kiama ya Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni niko bono aborire babwatania ENSEMO kwamiria serikali wanchirana ko Oboke kiama iki Ase Obochori Oboke ase bunge olkarau kupatikana no gusira obogima ko mujumbe wa ENSEMO yo Mheshimiwa David Kiaraho.
We lost our member of parliament for Olkarau, Mheshimiwa Kiaraho the Late. Na kama imekuwa desturi ya United Opposition, we also expect them to seat ground for Jubilee Party. That was a seat at the Jubilee Party. And we as a Jubilee are ready to field a candidate and to ensure that we retain the seat on behalf of those of us in the opposition. We will be talking to the people of Olkarau and we'll be asking them to give us that support. But we also want a person who can be able to ensure that, or who will ensure that the development agenda that was there with Mheshimiwa Kiaraho is continued and is not interrupted, and the people of Olkarau continue benefiting from the benefits that were ongoing or promised, and even more that that member can bring in. Ingine ni kusema in the organism that at Githunguri, Kikuyu were attacked while they were defending their holy shrine or holy grounds that they consider sacred. And I think it is not a good thing. We have laws in this country that protect sacred places, and we don't understand why Githunguri Kiawairera, why that ground should be taken by the government. It is an area that has a lot of historical issues attached to it, and we would want our children and grandchildren to also benefit from the history of that area, which has a lot to do with where we also came from, or we believe we came from as